Right now, I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable. Grab your loved ones, or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have some fun. To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gon' roll your shoulders, do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left.
All right, we need first footage of the trip is the accounting fiasco. This year, the accounting department. We need a finance person in our group. We're all just a bunch of dumb rednecks.
No beer before finance.
No beer before finance.
Not it.
Tony was a hot dog vendor back in the day. He can slim some cash.
Is this the new logo? That's what we're at.
Czar still counts money like a 5-year-old.
Like a 5-year-old. Now you gotta pay you.
Hey, Happy, is that it? Is that the new logo?
Oh, he broke it out. It's bad. You're not supposed to see it. You guys weren't supposed to see that. All right, we've got footage from the hosts.
Okay.
Mr. Juan Stillman, we're back. Thank you for having us.
Welcome back.
Any words of wisdom other than don't shoot each other?
Don't shoot each other and hope you kill a lot of birds.
Mr. Rubin, we appreciate you having us.
Great to have you guys, man.
Any advice?
Have fun, man.
I love
you
it.
only live once.
I love it.
Have fun.
Hell yeah. All right.
That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad.
The number of people to pay.
90 divided by 12.
90 divided by 12 is $7.50.
So you give $7.50 back, or we buy more beer?
We
just
buy
leave it in the
buy
pool.
more
Yeah,
beer.
leave it in the pool.
All right. I'm the treasurer.
The community chest, right?
He should be treasurer.
Yeah, wait, we found our treasurer over here.
We're putting this in there.
Where's the get out of jail?
We have an envelope. What's that called? A kitty? Dead bird envelope.
We're square.
All right. We're switching gears.
Got your numbers,
All right,
We're done.
ready? We're switching gears.
All right.
All right, everybody. Day one of cooking. We're trying to work out the kinks. Breakfast is okay, but it was a little bit of a disaster.
It's brunch.
It's brunch. It's brunch. Billy boy.
It's good.
It's good. It's good. It's just, it was a little bit of a challenge.
Oh, this is dove hunting. A lot of bird watching. We got a line going. Trying to flush them out. They're not flying a whole lot today. At least not yet. We'll see how this goes. Just gotta keep an eye out for birds. Dove specifically, you can't just shoot any bird. The dove shows its face, everybody calls it out, tries to locate it, knock it down.
Levi, off to your right. They're gonna be coming straight at you.
Happy dove, right there.
Bird! Right into the sun. There goes a two-ship over there.
Oh, you two suck! JD!
There's bird. Levi got that one. Yep, Levi got that one.
Coming in! Oh, right on the other side of the fence. Damn it!
Get him, Tony, get him!
Hold on.
Nice shot.
Okay, somehow we got a 5-way split for a one lucky dove. Got Tony, we got Levi, myself, Babcock, and Dustin, all being for one dove. One bird. That bird was about 70 yards in the air.
I almost shot him. Tony had to walk up and snap his neck. So what? We shoot, and whoever, basically if you're top, you stay, right? Yeah. Hold on. We're gonna do odd man out. It's easier. You're gonna go one on one? Or you
No,
go
everybody shoots.
All of us.
And if everybody's got scissors and he's got paper, he's gone.
Yeah.
Everybody got rock and
But
he's
here's
got.
the thing. What happens if there's all three? If there's rock, paper, scissors? Does top dog stay, or does just bottom leave?
If you get rock and everybody gets scissors, you automatically got it.
Well,
Yeah, but the odds of just having two, there's gonna be three.
Right, because
we're gonna do odd man out. Have y'all played odd man out? No. Alright, it's the same principle except you do this or you do this.
No, rock, paper, scissors. That's in the bylaws.
Changing the
You
rules.
just go right.
Changing the rules.
But you know, so the only thing we gotta decide is if you win, or if you lose, you're out. Because you know what I mean?
Yeah, you lose,
Like
you're
what
out.
happens to the middleman? He didn't win or he didn't lose. He stays. So think about it. If I throw rock,
If you throw
and
rock,
you
I
throw
rock.
paper,
Okay.
and he throws scissors, now all of a sudden
It's a reshoot.
It's a
It's a reshoot.
but we got 5 of us.
No, it's a reshoot. But if you got 2 rocks and 2 scissors, they're in and I'm out.
Man, we're gonna figure it out.
Let's do it.
Ready?
On 3 or after 3? On 3.
On 3.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Bang, bang. Oh.
You're out.
Well, yeah, fucking
I'm out.
got you. What is that?
Yeah.
I'm a
That's
paper.
paper.
I'm a paper.
Yeah.
Paper, rock, rock.
but I beat
But that's the thing.
rock.
But
But
you
I beat rock.
You beat him.
We can't do this.
That's the thing. You see what I mean?
It's like you gotta do. Odd man out. Now you're okay.
You want to listen to odd man out now?
All right, we're gonna have to
Odd man out.
Until the final.
2.
All right, we've got
or
enough
1.
here to make a
2 or 1.
We got a quorum here,
All
right?
right, so odd man out.
insert some
You
new,
do 1, 2, 3, same thing, either a 2 or 1, and we go until one of us is different. Whoever is different from the rest,
then the
wins.
final 2.
Do paper, rock, scissors to win.
All right, so whoever's
No,
different.
whoever's different. Okay, it's
The-
got to
the
be only
majority
one
wins.
person. We go until only one person is different.
I got a flight at like 8.
Alright,
on a plane tomorrow
ready?
morning.
1,
So
2,
1 or 2?
on 3.
Yeah,
1 or 2.
1 or 2.
Yeah, 1 or 2.
Now on 3.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Out the gate!
He got it. He did.
Out the gate,
Levi.
win.
All right.
It's only just. He was the.
Got Levi. How many you got?
I baked the cake.
I baked the cake.
I baked the cake.
I baked the cake.
Jackson is about to go in after a dove in the pond, middle of the pond. This is how desperate we are to win the trophy. Why not? It ain't a fucking story if you ain't doing it. More to come.
You ready?
I'm ready. It's as dedicated as it gets. Now that, my friend, There's a headless bird flapping. I'm not gonna lie, it feels
right. You hit me in the nads. What do you think, JD? For the camera, we got ominous rain.
I'd say so. Shame we're not hunting rain, you know?
In your professional weatherman opinion?
I want you to know it's hot as and there's rain coming.
It's a good thing we're in the desert where it doesn't rain.
Right?
First year in the history of the Dead Bird Flying Extravaganza that there's a single drop of rain.
Stuck out of the lightning. Nice blind.
Safe. Saved our ass. Big lightning fell right next to his Zarlingo.
That's right. Scared the shit out of me. I threw my gun down on the bush. I don't want to get electrocuted.
I hit the ground.
We got Sandy in here. Hey, Sandy. Sandy. Hi.
Here we are, confined to the Stillman back porch because it's storming out the first time in
7 years or 6 years.
7 years coming to this area. You like my new hat? Ah, signature move. Ow!
Whoa.
You're not making them do that. Whoa.
Yeah, oh yeah, everyone's got to do it. What up, Dad?
Kid, I just went for a fucking walk, because there ain't in the sky.
Final day. Let's see if we get this GoPro thing set right. Figure it out. GoPro. Stop recording.
Rock, paper, scissors now. Alright, on three. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tell me how it feels.
Yeah.
Just got that one down.
Shows up with like a bunch of. This dude shows up with a bunch of feathers in his hand.
The owl feathers.
Uh-oh, was you telling a story?
This is our new decoy. Improvise. Improvise, adapt, overcome.
All right, Terry, tell us about it, man. What's going on?
Man, you guys are killing it out here. You guys just got the group. You got to get out here and let's knock some birds down.
I love it, man.
I want to see you guys knock some birds.
I love it.
Let's get the count.
Ruben, the hostess with the mostest.
And this is the old private Idaho, man. Whoever had this place before, that was a little shelter, man. They got the tables out there for the birds when you slay them, clean them, electricity out there to hook up. This should be the place, man.
Ruben's the man.
There's another one over here. They found the other one. Oh no, well Czar pulled it out. Yeah, I mean we can use it.
Yo tenía un carro Ford con la rueda de cartón para llevar a las morenas a la pista de algodón. Yo tenía un carro Chevy con la rueda de soquete para llevar a mi güerita a comprar su colorete. Take me back to Tulsa, I'm too young to marry. Take me back to Tulsa, I'm too young to marry. We always wear a great big smile, we never do look sour. We travel all over the country, picking by the hour. Yo tenía un carro Pontiac and un carro You gotta stay current. Nobody wants to know what's on your shirts.
Because you're all wearing the same shirt.
Hey, let's show. Let's show. Happy
We're triplets.
So this is our seventh. This is our 7th year.
Dead bird flying. Extravaganza.
It's our 7th year coming here to dove hunt.
Awesome.
The Stillman Ranch. We're from all over the country, corner to corner.
Holy cow.
North Carolina, Utah, Colorado, Florida.
Y'all putting that on YouTube or something, or where can we find it? Before we go, we need to get your all's information.
Well, welcome to Texas.
Welcome to Texas for the 7th year in a row. Yeah.